This is one program on the queue. So that I told you there are two main functions. One is the addition of in the queue. This is the this function, and then another function is the del queue. This is the another function. These two functions we have to talk only and we have to understand also. This is one QI diagram type. This is the, if you consider this is the front and this is the rear and back side of the queue. And this is the front side, but remember this, when starting, when the queue is empty, just you create it, then front and rear in the same location. Here this is the front, this is the rear, and then slowly when it is I am adding element, then front and rear get separated. Now you see on the concept I am coming to now int max equal to 10. I told you this is queue and then stack. This is a type of array only, so there is nothing to be worry about it. This is a special type of array. Now int arr equal to new int max. So here you have no difficulties with this. There are two counter, front and rear, both are integer type. Now it is queue, front and rear equal to -1. I already told you yesterday that why we are giving the initializing the front and rear -1, because front and rear you are going to use this counter for your arrays location. So array cannot be -1 location, it starts from 0 location. That's why once it is going to add the area, then automatically it will come into the 0 location. Now you see here, now add queue int item. If rear equal to max -1, rear equal to max -1, then queue is full. That means if rear at the end of this is your array size, but rear is lying down here, that means there are no more elements to add inside it. If the rear is here, then you can add some more there. But if the rear is at the end, there is no space, 10 fellows will be allowed to stand in the line. If both the 10 fellows are already there is no more fellows to be inserted. So here, so then if rear equal to max -1, the queue is full. You cannot do. If it is not there, then ARR equal to say for the first time. So data equal to ARR front. ARR front. So this is your ARR front. In this place you are going to give it. And if ARR front equal to, sorry, not this portion. After this I have to come it here. Now if it is not rear equal to this one, if rear equal to max -1, then queue is full. So this is there. Now if it is not full, then we come into the rear plus. So rear is increasing, rear plus. When rear starting value was -1, then rear plus means that's why front and rear starting value is the -1. Now you are adding one more element, so then rear plus, then rear will be 0 now. So ARR means rear is here now. Rear is here. So ARR 0. ARR 0 equal to item. The item you are inputting, so that will be storing out here. Now if front equal to -1, after adding one element, if your front is still -1, it is -1 because the rear only change after adding first element, rear became plus. So that means in that time front is still -1. Now soon after this you added element, when your structure started, then front also, if front equal to -1, then front is 0. So obviously when you are adding one element, initially front and rear both were -1. You are adding the first element. So once you are adding the first, because of plus, so rear become 0. So this one ARR rear equal to item. So rear become 0. So rear is here. Then front was still -1, but you already, so now front also became 0 because front and rear for the first time when you are adding, say this is the front, this is the rear. When there is only single element, remember this. Now we are keep on adding some more elements. Slowly this your rear will push. Again you are adding, so this rear, after the rear will be here, then after the rear will be here, like that way after the rear will be there. Front is same only, front is not changing, rear is changing, and rear time will come to the end. Then you cannot go, then it will be like this. If rear equal to max -1, to queue is full, you cannot add anymore. So that means slowly the front is 0, but keep on adding. Then data here you are adding, here you are, so which counter is increasing? This is rear is increasing. So now it is like this. Now your data, your array is full. Now we are going to delete. In that case, this is another function as del q int data, one variable there. If front equal to -1, then system.out println q is empty. front equal to minus 1, when it will be front equal to minus 1? When there is no add, if you don't first add any data, then it will be remain minus 1, front and rear, because we call this add q, that means front and rear change. You have to insert some data, otherwise you cannot delete. So that's why if front equal to minus 1, then system dot out container q is empty. Means if this function is not called, if you are calling first the del function, then there will be minus 1 and it is empty, no data, and return 0. Otherwise, after this portion are coming here. Now, otherwise data equal to ARR from. Now I told you the q, when you are deleting this fellow, this is your line. Now this fellow only will take the ticket, but this is in the front of that line in the counter. So there it will be, so this ARR, so data equal to ARR from. And now you take, and if front equal to rear, then front equal to rear equal to minus 1. That means slowly what will happen, the this data will go away. The front is increasing, front plus, then front will be here. This fellow is the front, he already taken the data, take it and gone. Again he is the front, again after that he is the front. The time will come when the front and rear will be the same location, the last element. If front and rear equal to minus 1, then means front equal to rear equal to minus 1, you come to the end of it, again you initialize. Else front plus means you keep on deleting the data, so front is changing. So front is 0, front will be 1, front will be 2, like this, so front plus. And this is a data equal to ARR from. You keep on call the delete, so front, this will be delete, front plus, this will be delete, and then return data. So this is your front and add and del. Now I am going to write the main function. This is my main function of the same program, class q. Here the q spelling I have changed because the previous one another actual original q, here q. Public static void main string address. This public function also you can write it in the main that previous program only the same name. But I wrote it in another class. This way also you can write it. Public static void main string address q ab equal to new q. So this is your object. So I am keep on adding ab dot add q 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is all adding into the q. Then after that we are deleting I equal to ab dot q and system dot println item deleted, and again twice I am deleting. Here this is one delete, and I am calling that del function twice, and then it will be deleted and the bracket closed and the function closed. So this is the end of the program, and this is that these two programs specially you practice it, and then after that you go to the previous last 5 years question paper. Then I think there will not be a problem, and then these are the easiest way it is told, and don't go any complicated version, then you will have no difficulties.